Put out a delectable spread with this Philodendron stencil tablecloth project from designer Stencils. Working on a protected surface, mark the center of your tablecloth with a piece of frog tape painter's tape. Position the first stencil and tape into place. Mix your Americana acrylic paint with an equal amount of fabric medium until completely blended. After soaking the bristles, remove excess paint by twirling the brush on a stack of paper towels. Add another color if needed to adjust the shade. Apply the paint in light coats using the same swirling motion of the brush. When one section is complete, position the next stencil. Continue until the stalk element is complete. Next, position the first leaf element using the other half as a guide. Proceed with the remaining leaf elements. Once dry, your beautiful tablecloth is now complete and ready to serve your next dinner guests. For more tips and ideas, visit designerstencils.com today.